Lenny is a valued part of our community. He does all the general things a custodian does, but more importantly, the relationships that Lenny's built between the different adults and the children make a big impression on our school community. I work with special needs students, and a lot of the times some of our goals are communication, and our students are able to greet and meet Lenny and have a meaningful conversation. And it helps our students feel important and valued members of the school.
He is one of the best custodians I've actually come across. He's very interactive with the students, so they've always felt so safe asking him for things. So he contributes a lot to the well-being of the student that we work with.
He puts in his heart in his work so that our students can benefit to the best learning as possible and have fun at the same time. And honestly, that wouldn't happen if we didn't have someone as kind and efficient as Lenny.
What I like about the job is the community. The staff and the students are really great here. I don't do this for any rewards or accolades. I've come into work every single day because I love the job and I really enjoy it. I hope to bring a positive energy to everybody. Tried to do that every single day for the past 9 years, and hopefully for many more years to come, for the next wave of students that are coming through, that I can put that positive energy onto them and they can be successful.